Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to install and configure GTA inside LXC container on Ubuntu, on my current Ubuntu system, which is Ubuntu 24.2 LTS. So we also changed the default port from 3000 to 80 for easier access. We'll do later. Then next, the first thing, we need to launch a Linux container. I am not using Docker, I am using Linux container. So run this command LXC launch. That means we'll tell Linux container to launch a Ubuntu 24.04 base image, and the container names will be gitea-container. So for accessing that container, we need to run LXC exec, means execute. Then container name, what we need to access within that container, we need to access bash shell. So simply run this command. So now we are inside the container and our current username is root. Let's check the OS version. It's also 24.04. Okay, next thing, we need to clone the git repository. I'll give you all the details on this video description. Okay, our git is cloned. Here I give the shell file executable access. C X means executable. So run this script. It will take some time, approx 1 minute to 2 minutes, depend on your internet connection. See here, now it's downloading and saving this file under user local bin GTA. After installation finish, it will give us the IP address and the port. Now it's verifying the GPG key also. GPG key auto key verification successful, and it's provide us the git ta server URL. Just copy and open this URL on the browser. So it's ready. First we need to select SQLite for testing purpose. For production server we are normally using Microsoft SQL or MySQL or PostgreSQL. So whatever default things, just keep it. For example, you want to change the site name. For example, I am giving my site lalas for show now GitHub. Then next you can use you can change the root path for your git repository. Also you can change your git LFS path, large file system. I will make it default, and it's asking for server domain name. Okay, if you have any specific domain name, you can put it here. I will make it default. So next, gitea HTTP listen port, I'll make it default for the time being. Okay, next, enable update checker. I just skip this process. Email configuration, you need to set up email host and SMTP host details and send email as details. You can, for testing purpose, you can collect this data from the Gmail of specific things, means you can create a username password through Gmail application specific things. After that, next thing, server third party. For the time being, I'll skip this. Then administrative account, I'll set administrator username like lalatendo, then email ID, then password, let me auto suggest, done. It will take some time. Okay, see here our git server is ready. So let's create a organization first. Make it private. So organization is created. Now you can create a repository under within my first repo and create a git repo. So you can set 2FA and other things through here. For example, I am going to identity and access. Here you can create user account. By default this is the admin account, and you can create other user account here and set up 2FA things also here. So if you click on edit button and go down, you can set user complete name, update the user password, authentication local, and visibility public or private, and you can set customize emails for the user. So our next purpose is we need to change the port from 3000 to 80. Currently we are accessing our git site on port number 3000. See here. So we need to change that. For that we need to edit that app.ini file. I'll make it a copy 80, then make this comment, make this one also comment, and keep all these things default only. Now we need to run this thing, copy paste, then systemctl restart gitea. See, gitea is running under port 80. Let's check the site again. If I refresh, then it will throw error. See here. So simply remove this part and hit enter. Now we are accessing our git TA server through a naked IP. So now everything is set up correctly. You should see git TA is listening on port number 80. Then if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more DevOps and self-hosting tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you.